Hi guys, in this video tutorial we will see how we make a half a motif that it's been cut horizontally. We will need this half a motif to make the scarf. So we chain 6, again the same as the full motif, and we make double crochet in the treble crochet in the third chain from the hook. And then we make 3 more double crochet or treble in the UK with the rest of the chains to have total of 5. Then again we chain 6, and again we make double crochet in the third chain from the hook and another 3 double crochets in the 3 remaining chains, in total 5 double crochets. Now the English crocheters will know that when I say double crochet, that will mean treble in the UK. And then we slip stitch into our first block of 5 double crochets. Always check that you have 5 and check your way. I'm struggling here to find the way I need to slip stitch. So we slip stitch in the last double crochet of the previous block of 5. We chain 2. Here for some reason I'm chaining 4. Obviously it's 2 in order to indicate to make double crochet, and then we make 4 more double crochets in the chains ahead. I'm stumbling with my words today. Okay, so there we go. And the last one, I'm using the stitches. I'm working over the ends. Here we're quite high, so we need to go with slip stitch twice in the double crochet, the last double crochet we made, in order to make the level of work lower. We chain 6 and we work double crochet in the third chain from the hook, and we do 3 more double crochets into the 3 chains ahead. So first round we have 1 block of 5, the second round we have 3, and we will be finishing it here with the slip stitch into the first one. There we go, and our first and second round are done with one color. We usually use 2 rounds for the first color, because otherwise the first round will be just 1 block and we want to show a diamond. So here we have another color. We attach it at the bottom furthest block as I'm showing you here, and because we don't have anywhere to work, we have to chain 6. So we chain 6 and we work again on the third chain from the hook. We make a double crochet, and then we make 3 more double crochets in the rest of the chains to make in total of 5. And we slip stitch. So this is what I call that we go uphill, because we go up, kind of like a ladder, like stairs, not ladder. So we chain 2 and we make 4 more double crochets in the 4 stitches of the previous block. Then we slip stitch again and we make chain 2 and we make 4 more double crochets, in total of 5. So on one side we always do chain 2 and 4 double crochets. On the other side, when we go downhill, as I say, we do 2 slip stitches, and then we do 5 double crochets in the block of 5 double crochets below. And we actually work in the stitches, regardless if they're the actual stitches or the chain that we've made to make the stitches. Now now we're too high and we need to go again, slip stitch twice, and because we don't have anywhere to work our stitches, we need to chain 6, and we work again on the 3rd chain from the hook. We make a double crochet and then 3 more double crochets in the 3 chains ahead, in total of 5 double crochet. And then we slip stitch in the double crochet ahead. Now we've ended and we need to continue, so we need to do a very loose slip stitch at the bottom of our half diamond. In that way we will come to the furthest part and we chain 6. And we'll repeat it, the whole process is the same. We make double crochet in the 3rd chain from the hook, make 3 double crochets in the rest of the chain, then we slip stitch, in the 1st double crochet ahead, then we chain 2, make 4 double crochets, chain 2, make double crochets, 4 double crochets, and when we go downhill, we slip stitch twice and we do 5 double crochets. If we have reached the bottom, we always have to chain 6. Chain, there we go, chain 2. So we're going up the stairs, going uphill. And struggling with the yarn here, it's a bit wedged somewhere on my little desk. Chain 2, and this is the top block of 5. Now we go twice slip stitch down to make a little corner and to level up our work at the bottom of that double crochet, and then we make 5 double crochets. Then again we will have to slip stitch twice in order to level up again to the bottom of the stitch, and do another 5 double crochet. I'm trying to put the end there so I can work over it. I really don't like weaving the ends, so if I get a chance I just take it, and this pattern does allow it. And now we've reached the final block, and because we don't have, we slip stitch down to level up at the bottom of our double crochet, and because we don't have where to work our stitches, we need to chain 6, and we turn our work to work on the chains. We work double crochet in the 3rd hook, chain from the hook, and then 3 more double crochets in the rest of the chains, in total of 5 double crochet. So for each color we repeat these steps. We can have as many as you can make a shawl out of this, a triangle one, or half a diamond in this case. Okay, well, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Bye!